Welcome to our factory in Foshan, Guangdong, one of China's leading manufacturing hubs for doors and windows. We are specializing in commercial doors and window solutions for customers in China and around the world. Our factory covers over 7,500 square meters of production space, with a 600 square meter showroom showcasing a wide range of styles and systems. With more than 250 tons of regular stock, we're able to support stable supply and efficient delivery for every order. Today, we proudly serve over 500 trading companies, with products exported to markets across the globe. From design and manufacturing to packaging and export, every step is handled by our experienced in-house team. We also provide professional design support and dedicated foreign trade services to help bring every project to life. Follow us to discover more door and window designs, factory insights, and project inspiration.